Okay, so just got the cover off, just that tube, and then there's a couple, not a couple, I would say like 8 or 9 8mm bolts. Then it's got a 10mm bolt, long threaded that in. That loosens up the belt. Then you just slide the belt off. Just gotta watch your fingers. First time doing this, so I'm still learning too as I go. Got the belt off. So it's like this. Okay, yeah, so it was the right way. And this belt's not that bad. Couple burn spots right here. I mean, 300 miles. I just used rubbing alcohol and cleaned a napkin and cleaned all the clutches surface. Now it's time to slip on the new belt. You want to make sure the words are on top and you could read them from the top. I want to be gentle with the new belt. Slipping it on. Make sure it's sitting there good. And we just release our release bolt. I want to get it on the right track for releasing all the way. It's a good idea to keep this bolt in the glove box too, just in case you ever, in a 10mm, just in case you ever need to change the belt on the trail. Now just spin it. Make sure it's going nice and even. Couple times. Okay, should be good. Just got the trunk box in. What I ended up doing is using one of the brackets. Drill the hole, drill 2 holes, put some RTV. Then I added some screws on the sides because it was shaking. Now I just need to get the gas can, that's it. There's a screw on the side, not noticeable, but nice and solid now. Now I just gotta throw the belt in. I don't know if I'm gonna zip tie it somewhere to the back. Just leave it like that.